Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It's me, Dan from FRZ Trading. Today I am going to show you how you can use AI tools to quickly backtest an indicator without much effort to see its potential accuracy. All we need is some history data and the source code of the indicator. We will be using ChatGPT to do this, but I am sure any other AI chatbot could be used to do the same. So without further ado, let's get started. First, we need history data for the period you want to backtest. There are various ways you can download history data. The easiest way is to use the MT4 History Center. Alternatively, you can find many other websites that provide history data for free, such as MyFXBook website. Let's see how we can download MT4 history data. Let's open MT4 and then go to Tools, History Center. There you can select the pair and time frame you need. If there is not enough history data, you can click on the download button to download all the history data available. Unfortunately, you cannot specify a period for which you want on MT4. Once you have the history data updated, simply click on Export button and save the file as a CSV file on your local computer. For demonstration, I have downloaded daily timeframe data for Euro-USD, but you can select whatever you like. In case you use MyFXBook, go to myfxbook.com website, then go to Market on the main menu, and then select Historical Data from the drop-down menu. Now you can select any pair, time frame, and the period for which you would like to get the history data. Now click on the Filter button, and once the data is filtered, you can simply click on the CSV button on the top right corner to download the CSV file. Now we have the history data. Now we can use any MetaTrader, TradingView, or other platform's indicator to backtest. But we need the source code. Compiled indicator files will not work here. For instance, if it is a MetaTrader 4 indicator, you will need the MQ4 file. For this demonstration, I am going to use this arrow indicator of which I have the source code in MQ4 format. Now let's go to ChatGPT. First, let's upload the history data we downloaded. I am using the MT4 data, but you can use any other. Then, let's upload the indicator source code. I am using this simple arrow indicator for demonstration purposes. Now, let's advise ChatGPT what to do. Here is what I am going to ask ChatGPT. We are using the same take profit and stop loss distance so that we can easily measure the accuracy of the indicator. As a basic rule, if the indicator is correct more than 50% of the time, then we can call it a profitable indicator. As you can see, ChatGPT has now given us a trade-by-trade analysis for the indicator using the history data we provided. Now we can ask for a detailed performance summary so that we can easily check out how the indicator has performed. You can see ChatGPT has then provided us with a graphical equity curve along with a detailed performance summary, giving you all the necessary information to decide on the indicator. Looks like our indicator is quite profitable. You will see that ChatGPT is also asking if we want to optimize the strategy parameters or simulate different market conditions. Likewise, you can do any type of analysis on your indicator, EA, or strategy using the AI tools. You just need the history data and the source code, no matter what your platform or programming language, and ChatGPT know them all. So that's it, guys. If you've got questions or need help, drop a comment. I'll be hanging out down there. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.